Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Amma ba'da, habati fillah. Remember, the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam said, "Du'a'u ibadah." Supplication is worship. And if we stay cognizant that when we supplicate to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this is benefiting us and it's a type of worship and it's something where we're seeking the blessings and favors of Allah, and at the same time Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is pleased with it, we have nothing but khair. The outcome of supplicating to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala comes only with good. And this should make us and keep us oriented to supplicating to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala often, asking Him, imploring Him, begging His forgiveness and His favor and His mercy. رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةً وَفِي الْآخِرَةِ حَسَنَةً وَقِنَا عَذَابَ النَّارِ.